YouTube, welcome back guys. So I just want to show you guys the deal that I got from Kohl's. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what I got for you guys to check it out. So by the way, my sister gave me her $5 Kohl's reward card. So I was just went in there and then browsing around. There are some items that's under the clearance was pretty good price, but kind of ugly style. But I just went through each one of them, and then this is what I got. So this is a shirt that I got. It's a Batik Bay Easy Care Machine Wash. It's a 70% rayon, 30% polyester. Soft touch. Wow, look at the price. So it's kind of weird because when I went to cashier to check it out, it was like $5 plus tax. It's supposed to be around $5.40 something cents. So whenever I use the $5 card, if it's $5 and you use $5 of it, somehow it doesn't give you, they don't charge you tax. So as you can see, the item retail price is supposed to be like $50. Clearance price minus $45 become $5. So I ended up paying $0. Okay. And this one is a sports shirt, short sleeve, color is blue, style number is 26714. So it says Easy Care Cool Comfort Machine Wash. It's very soft. There's your left hand chest pocket right here. Pretty nice. And this is a button-up shirt. Size small. And then there's a batik boy, the boss around the buttons. And it is cut opening on the left and right hand side on both of the hem section. Oh, they give you 2 of the extra buttons for free. And this one's made in Indonesia. Then this is what it looks like on the back. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.